Traveling from some Indian airports has just gotten pricier. And this time it is not the airline's fault. Instead, it's the airports themselves hiking up their charges. Airports in Bengaluru, Chennai, Goa, Jaipur, Ahmedabad and 11 other major Indian cities have increased their fees according to a Mint report. Now let's dive into what is happening. But first, if you haven't already, hit that follow and subscribe button for Business Standard. So what's the story? Now, since the start of FY25, 16 airports have jacked up their user development fees or UDF. But what exactly is that? Well, it's a fee airport operators charge passengers to help fund the development and upkeep of airport infrastructure, ensuring they meet revenue targets and maintain fair returns. Now, as a traveler, you might think you're only paying for your ticket, right? Well, sort of. You actually pay the UDF to your airline, which then passes it on to the airport operator. Now, these fees vary from airport and regulated by the Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India or ERA. Now, let's talk numbers. How much have the charges increased? Well, airports in cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mangalore, Thiruvananthapuram, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Lucknow, Kannur, Kochi, Chennai, Kozhikode, Kolkata, Goa, Bhubaneswar, Patna and Srinagar have upped their UDF by 2% to a whopping 200% this financial year. For example, flying from Patna airport now costs you 660 rupees in UDF, a massive 223% increase from FY24. In Jaipur, it is 805 rupees, up by 104%. Now, most airports started charging the new fees at the beginning of FY25. However, Thiruvananthapuram airport's increase took effect on July 1st and Jaipur's will kick in on August 1st. These hikes follow tariff orders from ERA issued between August 2021 and July 2024. Established in 2009, ERA sets tariffs for aeronautical services at major airports. Now remember, airports charge for both aeronautical services like landing and takeoff fees, parking fees, navigation and air traffic control, and non-aeronautical services like retail and duty-free shops, food and beverage outlets, parking facilities, car rentals, hotels and lounges. So what's the problem? Well, the problem is airfares are already on the rise and these increased airport charges are adding to passengers' financial burdens, possibly discouraging air travel for some. Now, this is not a great news for airlines either, creating a ripple effect. Stay tuned to Business Standard for the latest updates on this story and everything related to business, markets, the economy and more.